So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our previous lecture, we learn about data types. In this video, we learn about numerical data and how do we can implement numerical data and how what are the operators we use. So basically, this video is about numerical operators. So what is operators and what are the numerical operators we use in Python, we'll see in this video. So please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon for future video notification. So let's get started with today's video. We first of all we need to create a new file, Python file. I will name it numeric. You can name it anything you want. সো একটাই কথা থাকবে, ডেইলি আপনারা একটা করে ফাইল তৈরি করবেন, তাহলে পরে যখন আপনি রিভাইজ দিবেন আপনার কি কোডগুলো দেখে বুঝতে অনেক সুবিধা হবে। এই কারণে আমি প্রতিদিন একটা করে বা প্রতিটা লেকচারে আমি একটা করে নতুন ফাইল তৈরি করি। আপনারাও এরকমই করবেন, তাহলে আপনাদের জন্য আর কি ইজি হবে। সো আজকের ভিডিওটি শুরু করা যাক। সো হোয়াট আর দ্য নিউমেরিক্যাল অপারেটরস? So let me give you some example. A is equal to 6 and B is equal to 2. Space thing. So B is equal to 2. So first of all, what are these are the numerical data. So all the numbers are numerical data. Those are integer, float, everything. Those are all numerical data. And we are using here variables. So a is integer type variable, b is also integer type variable here because 6 is an integer and 2 is also an integer. So I will say please use variables to do your course. Those will be good practice for you. So now let's see some operators. So if we want to do addition, like we want to add 6 with 2, so we can add a with b. We don't have to write 6 plus 2. We can write answer is equal to a plus b. So if we print this here, like answer and go to run, we will run this numeric and we are seeing 8. So 6 plus 2 is 8. So we are using plus symbol here. So we are adding two numbers. So plus, we are doing addition here. So with the plus symbol we can do addition in Python. So plus, it's a numerical operator. Another thing we can do is what we can do is answer. So we can do is answer is equal to a minus b. If you want to subtract something from another number, we can use minus symbol here. Minus, it's used to subtract something. So if we print answer now, so this will print 6. We subtract 2 from 6, we get 4 here in our console. So you can use minus to subtract a number. If we use answer is equal to a asterisk b, this is called asterisk symbol, and we can use this asterisk symbol to multiply two numbers. So if we use here a asterisk b, 6 asterisk 2, we will see 12 here. So we are seeing 12 here. So we are doing multiplication with the asterisk symbol. Another numerical operator is a divisor, a divided by b. So if you run this, so we'll have 3.0. We are having a floating answer here. So in Python, if we divide a with a single divisor numerical operator, we will have the answer floating type. If we want to print answer in integer, so we can write a double divisor type operator b. This will give us an integer type answer. Here we are seeing 3, only the integer part. We can, if we change this to 7, this will be better to understand this. So if we print only this a divided by 2, we'll have 3.5 because 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. But if we do this, a double divided by 2, we'll see only 3, only the integer pi. I hope you understand this. We can use double divisor to print only the integer part. Another operator is the modular operator, which is this percentage symbol. And if we print the answer now, we will see 1. So what is this modular doing? It is giving us the reminder. It is giving us the reminder after dividing 7 by 2. We will see 1 here. So this is the reminder, this is the modular part. So we are seeing 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 numerical operators in Python: plus, minus, asterisk, divisor, double division, and the percentage symbol. So these are all the numerical operators in Python. You can use this in your program in future. So I hope you enjoy this video and learn something from this. So thank you guys for watching this video. Be safe, take care, bye bye.